If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? Walls. You can have sheetrock and plaster. You can have drywall and mud. Sheetrock and plaster, right? What they do is they take sheetrock and they put it into the studs, right? So you're gonna have wooden 2x4s or 2x6s going all the way across. You're gonna screw the sheetrock in there and then you're gonna plaster over it. Alternatively, you can have drywall and mud. What drywall is just sheetrock, but they don't actually plaster over it. Just on the seams, they put the tape and then they mud down the seam and they just prime and paint right over it. Does anybody know what horsehair plaster is? All the older houses have that. It crumbles, it splits. If I'm looking at a house and I look in the hallway and the plaster's like this, like it's coming apart, does that mean the house has structural problems? You're not gonna have a structural issue on a wall. A wall is just plaster sheetrock. The easy fix is to cut it out, put new sheetrock and plaster it. Settlement and structural are two different things. Settlement happens on the sheetrock and the plaster, structural's in the basement.